Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, recently I just shown you on how I repaint my iron board stand, and now I'm going to make an iron board cover using an old denim jeans. So I have here an old denim jeans. I already cut this one to shorten up my video. So I already cut it and I measured it here, the size of this one on my iron board. Okay, so this is an old denim jeans. Again, I'll be using also this piece of cloth here for the side of the iron board cover, and also I'll be using this string for the string. Okay, so guys, come join me and let's get started. So guys, I can also use this string or either this garter. So I'll be choosing this string rather than this garter. So I'll be using this one, and I'll set aside this one first and start to make this thing here. Okay, and now I am going to attach this fabric here. Okay, so I'll be attaching it here at the side of this iron bird cover. I'll be attaching it here for the string, I mean. Okay, so now I'll be starting this one. This is very easy when I have those sewing machine, but I don't have it, so I'll Guys, it's already done. And now I'm going to put it on my iron board. So this is it. And this is it. Yeah. And that's it. It's already done, guys. So now I can iron my clothing already here. So now I can use this already for my ironing. And yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy and have some fun. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now. God bless all of you guys. Thank you so much for all my subscribers and all the viewers out there. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless all of you. Mwah.